Welcome everyone. Today let's know about the benefits of yoga for three different organ systems in our body. Yoga is one of the ancient Indian culture which is done for the good health of the person. Everyone tries to be healthy. In my opinion, yoga is the best method for getting good health and proper functioning of the organ systems in human body. Now, let's see some examples of yoga postures or yoga asanas for the proper functioning of digestive, respiratory and circulatory systems. Yoga is best because it enables every part and activates every organ in our body. Now, let's see some yoga postures for proper functioning of respiratory system. Kapalbhati. This is an exercise in which we push our stomach in, by which the diaphragm rises up and the air forcefully releases out. This helps in the movement of diaphragm and help in letting out air, carbon dioxide and other dust particles from our body or from the nostrils and the windpipe or trachea. This also cleans our internal respiratory system. Marjalasana or cat pose. This expands the chest, and if we do this with proper breathing, then the exchange of gases takes place well. This makes the free movement of air in our body. Bhujangasana or cobra pose. This is a posture in which we expand our chest, and when we inhale air while doing this asana from the nostrils, the air will move straightly into the lungs. Balasana or child's pose. Here we exhale the air out and bend down, which helps in removal of carbon dioxide and other unwanted dust particles from our body. Let's know some yoga postures for proper functioning of circulatory system. Sarvangasana or shoulder stand pose. This is a posture in which we stand inverted on our shoulders. Here the blood from heart directly flows to the brain and activates the functions. If this is practiced regularly in the morning, then the person will feel refreshed and be activated all the day. Ustrasana or camel pose. This is a posture in which the blood from the heart move in all directions. Every organ receives the blood and gets activated by this. Now comes Dandasana or plank pose. Here we be in the position of plank kept on a place. Here the body is in a slant position, so the blood will evenly reach to all the parts. Next, Matsyasana or fish pose. In this posture, we raise our chest, which enable the flow of blood to all the upper parts. This also helps in the correct purification of blood with the exchange of gases in our lungs. Now, Parvatasana or dog pose. Here, the body is in the shape of a mountain and the blood from heart reaches to lungs and gets purified. By doing this every day, the blood will have a good flow to lungs and purification takes place. At last, let's see some yoga postures for proper functioning of digestive system. Vajrasana. In this posture, we sit idle in a place, but due to external pressure, release of enzymes takes place and we have a good digestion. Next comes Trikonasana and Parivrtta Trikonasana, triangle pose and turn triangle pose. As we move the body well in this posture, we have a good movement of food in the intestines and digestion in stomach and intestines takes place well. Ardha Chandrasana. In this posture, we twist our body where we also twist our internal digestive organs and enable the food pathway of the food remain undigested in our digestive system. Next comes Parivrtta Matsyasana. In this posture, we put a great pressure on the liver, pancreas and stomach, which gets activated quickly. Now, let's see about Jatra Parivartanasana. In this posture, we keep a great pressure on the small intestine and large intestine. This helps in activating those organs in the digestive system. Note: never perform these postures without the notice of experienced people. Never do these postures quick after having meals. We need to have a break of 1.5 hours after breakfast, 3 to 4 hours after lunch and dinner. Done by Dhanush G, Class 10A, Saranya Concepts.